Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I am making, well first off, I apologize. I haven't been on for a while. I've been really busy and all of us trying to just get over this sickness, whatever it was. We had some type of virus, but I wanted to get on here and make something up that a lot of us have on hand. A lot of us probably have eaten this. It's a very old recipe. My mama used to make it up all the time. It's some tuna pasta. And it's something, like I said, we all have on hand. And I have my macaroni. Everything you need for this is in the description, okay? We're going to do a quick video. I already have it cooked for y'all. I like to cook mine a little bit soft. You cook it how you like it, al dente or more soft, but it's just more creamier if it's softer. So I have that cooked, rinsed it off, let it cool slightly. Let it set in your strainer there for a bit. That way it releases all that water because you don't want a watery tuna pasta. And this is good for summer, but you got to let it chill, just like any salad. You got to let it set in the fridge for a few hours for those. If you can make it the night before, even better. I have all of my ingredients chopped up. This is all going to come together quick. Comes together quick, but you do want it to hang out in the fridge for several hours so all those flavors can release. I got everything diced up fairly small. Now you can make sure you let these defrost, and any water that's left on them, drain it off. Some fresh, or they're frozen peas. And my mayonnaise. Now you can put canned peas in here too. If you don't have any frozen peas, you can put some canned peas in there. Just drain them really well. And I have my spices, which is black pepper and some seasoning salt. And I got a can of chunky light tuna. You use what you like. In water, make sure you drain this really well. Kind of flake it, get it broken up right in the can. Get that in there. We eat this, and boy, does it bring back memories of Mama making this. And it's getting hot, so cold pastas are good, right? So I'm just going to get that mixed up. Okay, my friends, there is the tuna pasta salad. Only thing I'm going to do now is put this in the fridge, put some saran wrap over it, let all those flavors come out. Now, when I said I added my spices in there, there was some dill weed in there too, because we know dill goes with tuna, right? So, but look at there, guys, ain't that pretty? It's very delicious tuna pasta salad. But I'm going to get it in the fridge, and it's not going to taste the same right now. Taste this with y'all. Still really good. Still got that flavor, but even better as it sets. But until next time, if you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoy it and like and subscribe. And as I said, everything you need for this is in the description. So, in the description box area. I did end up adding a little bit more mayonnaise to mine, close to 2 cups. And if it feels like or tastes like it's still dry, just add a little bit more mayonnaise because that macaroni is going to suck up that mayo as it sits. So pretty near 2 cups I used. That's normally about what you put into a 16-ounce package of macaroni when you're making salad, if you like it really creamy. But anyway, I ain't going to go on and on. Until next time, you guys enjoy. Take care. Love one another. And I love y'all. And we will see you guys later. Bye-bye. Enjoy the pasta. It's really good.